How South Korea's National Assembly got stood up by crypto industry reps at Terra hearing. Only 2 crypto executives represented the industry, though lawmakers asked 5 to attend. South Korean lawmakers want to question the crypto industry about its recent failures, but only 2 witnesses showed up to a hearing. 2 out of 5 witnesses from the industry showed up to testify before South Korea's National Assembly hearings on the crash of multi-billion-dollar enterprise Terraform Labs and other crypto failures on Monday. The hearings ended with lawmakers frustrated by the no-shows, CoinDesk Korea reported. Several lawmakers called for charges to be brought against those who didn't show up, according to the Korea Times. Terra's crash set off one of the worst market downturns in crypto's history, prompting lawmakers to call for more oversight, and Korean authorities to take a tougher line against the industry. Lawmakers used a series of annual hearings where they could question government agencies and relevant witnesses from businesses about pressing issues, as an opportunity to investigate Terra's collapse. Unable to force Terra co-founder Do Kwon, who might be an international fugitive now, to appear before the assembly, lawmakers selected representatives from the country's crypto industry to field questions. Lee Sok-woo, CEO of Dunalmo, which runs South Korea's largest crypto exchange Upbit, appeared as a witness to speak about an Upbit system failure. He had answered questions about the Terra crash earlier this month at the audit of South Korea's top financial regulator, the Financial Services Commission, according to Chosen. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.